Good morning, student. Welcome to St. Joseph E-Classes. I'm Meenakshi Veri, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you mixed addition and subtraction. Students, when we have to solve the sums based on mixed addition and subtraction, we have to follow the odd mass rule. Children, do you know what is odd mass rule? Odd mass rule is having 5 symbols. O means off, D means divide, M means multiply, A means add, and S means subtract. But in the given sums, we have to use only 2 symbols. First add, then subtract. Children, let us start with example 1. Find 27321 minus 32689 plus 15496. According to rule, first add, then subtract. If no sign is given with the number, that means that number is having plus sign, right? First number is 27321 plus 15496. Let us add first. 6 plus 1 7, 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 5 12, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Answer is 42817. Now subtract 32689 from the sum. Let us start. 42817 minus 32689, right? 7 is smaller than 9. Borrow from 1. 17 minus 9, 8. 0 is left. Borrow from 8. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 is left. 7 minus 6, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. And 4 minus 3, 1. Answer is 10128. Now see example 2. Find 1524 minus 672 plus 35893 minus 30240. Add the numbers that have minus sign in front. That means first of all you have to add 672 and 30240. Add the other number which are having the plus sign. That means first we will add 1524 and 35893. From their sum, subtract the sum of numbers. First add 30240 plus 672. Answer is 30912. Now add the number which are having plus sign 35893 and 1524. Answer is 37417. Now subtract both. Answer is 6505. Children, now we will start exercise 50. Question number 1. 15 plus 36 minus 25. First add 15 and 36. Answer is 51. Subtract 25 from it. Answer is 26. B part. 374 plus 83 minus 199. First add 374 and 83. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 8 15. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. Answer is 457. Now subtract 199 from it. 17 minus 9, 8. 14 minus 9, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Answer is 258. Question number 2, A part. 80 minus 47 plus 51. 80 is not having any sign. That means 80 is having plus sign. And 51 is also having plus sign. First add 80 and 51. Answer is 131. Now subtract 47 from it. Okay. Now borrow from 3. 11 minus 7, 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Answer is 84. Question number 3, A part. 200 minus 115 minus 68. Children, we can solve this sum by two methods. According to first method, first you add the numbers which are having the minus sign. That means add 115 and 68. Minus plus minus is equal to plus. But the sign will come minus, right? Then add 115 and 68. Answer is minus 183. And subtract 183 from 200. Answer is 70. Or you can follow the second method. You subtract 1 by 1. 200 minus 115. Answer will come 85. 85 minus 68. You will get the same answer, that is 70. Solve question number 4, A part. 615 minus 2407 plus 3118. First add 3118 plus 615. Answer is 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 1, 7 and 3. 3733 minus 2407. Now subtract 2407 from it. Borrow 1 from 3. 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Answer is 1326. Question number 5, A part. 380 minus 99 plus 1503 minus 745. First add 1503 and 380. Answer is 1883. And add 745 and 99. Answer is 845. Now subtract both. Answer is 1038. Or you can follow the second method. First add 1503 and 380. Answer will come 1883. Subtract 745 from it. Whatever the answer will come, subtract 99 from it. Now see B part. 2318 minus 1920 plus 122374 minus 90752. First add 122374 and 2318. Answer is 124692. Now subtract 90752 from it. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. 6 is smaller than 7. Borrow from 4. 16 minus 7, 9. 3 minus 0, 3. 12 minus 9, 12. After this, now subtract 1920 from it. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 1, 2 and 3. 3, 2, 0, 2, 0 is the answer. Let's solve question number 6, A part. 4100 minus 15280 plus 78256 minus 362. First add the numbers which are having plus sign. 78256 plus 4100. Answer is 82356. Now subtract 15280 from it. Answer is 67076. Now subtract 362 from it. Answer is 66714. Now solve the last question. 17256 minus 71804 plus 2 with 50 minus 126365. First add the numbers which are having the plus sign. 217256 will come. Now subtract first number from it, that is 126365. Answer is 90891. Now subtract second number from it and the answer is 19087. Children, do all the sums neatly in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.